Kobe's eating with a spoon today. Let's see how he's doing.
Come on, buddy. Come on. You can
Little
do it.
bit messy, but he's getting a little bit in there.
Yeah. All right. Let's try another small spoon. Come on. No. Come on. Oh, there you go. Come on. Yeah. Hi, buddy. Okay, you gotta swallow.
He does not like it. Not complaining.
Nope.
Maybe he likes the texture.
Oh, buddy, no. Don't grab the bowl. Yeah. He's not sure what this is just yet. There's a whole bunch in his mouth. I better let him finish that.
Okay.
Okay.
Daddy's gonna be here for a while.
Gotta swallow, buddy.
One spoon at a time.
Alright, let's try this again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
You gotta open your mouth.
Open up. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Good job, buddy. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. Good job, buddy. Let's try a bigger spoon. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Uh-oh. His first protest. Yeah.
No, that was just him breathing.
Good job, buddy. Yeah. All right. Big one. Big spoonful. Big spoonful. Uh-oh, he's learning to grab now. Yeah, good job, buddy. Yeah. Good one. Oh. Yeah, good job, buddy. Yeah. Who's the big boy? Big boy now, yeah.
Yeah, he's getting it in.
Big boy. There you go. Yeah. Good job, buddy.
That's 3 tablespoons. He should eat that whole thing, or?
Yeah, that's the goal.
Okay.
No, don't stick your mouth.
Alright, signing off.
All right.
One more bite. Let's see. Open your mouth.
Oh.
So you don't need to hold that on up there.
There you go. Yeah. Good job, buddy. Oh, here comes the mess.
Here comes the hands.
Thank God for Elaine's bib. Thanks, Elaine. Hi, buddy. Yeah, you did really well.
He opens his mouth.
There you go. That's good, buddy. Very good, buddy. Yeah, he's getting it.
Okay.
Very good, buddy. Excellent job.
Wow, got a big bite.
Yeah, very good, buddy.
He's